Hello everyone, Hatem for Objection, back again with the newest and news as we always never promised. Today we brought for you, this is a hub USB Type-C, it's adapter, okay? Actually this is the say let's work with iPad, okay? I'm gonna try it, let's unbox it and see together how it's work. The draw here is can take memory, USB, even internet connection, everything, etc. I would like to try it, okay, and see how it work, and let's try together. Do you see here HDMI 4K extra? The HDMI is supporting 4K, USB Type 2 USB, and male, female, RG45 connection for internet, SD, TF card reader, which is mean this is have everything as this show here, 8-in-1. Okay, let's try. And by the way, I will do another video. I will try, this is my Logitech, this is 4K. I will try to connect it through this hub to iPad. I will see it's gonna work or no. Through laptop, sure. I wanna try it's gonna work or no. And by the way, I have gaming wireless. I would like also to try it's gonna work or no. But in another videos we will do it together. Okay, let's connect it. It's Type-C as we see here. Okay, here see, this is two Type-C. For example, I can charge my laptop through here. Where is my charger? Okay, let's try. We'll try everything. Start lightening here when I connect it. Okay, yeah, it's charging. Okay, this is number one. HDMI I don't have, I can't try it now. Let's try, I have flash memory. This is Patriot, by the way, so nice flash memory. This is 64 gigabyte. One of the best flash memory that I ever tried. See, USB type USB 3. You got me? Okay. Oh, come on. I don't know if read it or no. Let's go to. Okay, let me try. I would like to it. Let me try to connect internet. Is really going to be. Let me switch off the Wi-Fi. Okay, now I connect internet. I connect internet through this. Okay, it's supposed to. I'm supposed to have internet, right or no? Let's open, for example, Safari. Let's open new page. Let's write YouTube. Oh, it's work. I'm impressive. It's really work. Wow. Which is mean it's real, guys. It's real. See, I switch off Wi-Fi. I switch off Wi-Fi. Wow, which is mean it's reading flash memory. I guess so. Wait, I'm now confused. I don't know. Wait, how to go to my files? Yeah, it's some kind of important thing, you know. It's important thing to discover it. But the problem for Apple products that they not did not read any flash memory, do not read anything, you got me? They are always racism for racist for them products or for them stuff. Anyway, it's charging. It's use internet work without Wi-Fi, and this is the most important for me that the HDMI because I have Elgato. I'm doing live streaming in my another channel, so this was most important for me here, that it's working, and he start to get hot little bit, but it's okay, little bit. Anyway, guys, it's nice. I honestly, this has cost me like 25. No, it's like $30. What I didn't like in this brand, I'll tell you something. There is the same one, but have jack for audio, for speakers. This one doesn't have. Okay, so make sure if you will order one that this will have jack for audio. I found same one have audio jack but doesn't have 2 USB. Have one and have one for charge. I wish that I couldn't find, honestly. I was want the same but have jack for speakers, because I want to test my speakers on the. But I can do it through Wi-Fi. In another video, we'll try this together. Okay. Anyway, notification sounds play. Let's see. I not see that he's reading the flash memory. You know, I'm kind of game center. What is this? No. I don't think you can read flash unless. Listen to me. I found flash memories in AliExpress and in eBay. This flash memory that Apple can read it. It's have not USB. It's have Type C. This flash memory is have Type C and USB. So you can connect it to computer, take information, and bring it Type C. You can deliver the information back. So, but I found this flash memory cost like also $25. It wasn't cheap, honestly, and just 16 giga. Wasn't big. See, guys, it's draw for me here. It's first time I see it. They draw for me here internet socket. It's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and here's draw for me internet. See, USB 10100 LAN. It show here for the figure DNS and the Sputnet mask router. Yeah, it's wow. This is really cool. I didn't expect that. I'm so happy for this option, honestly. I wish to know when Apple will be like human company, normal company, like Android or Samsung, and you start allow us to send Bluetooth. I wanna get virus. Please leave me. I wanna get viruses. Let me connect flash memory. Let me connect like Samsung. In Samsung I can buy. I'm responsible about my phone. I bought this phone. I wanna break it. I wanna destroy it. I wanna get viruses. It's not your business. But the problem that Apple, like what? Apple cannot protect you from viruses. They pretend it. Let's be honest. Apple companies like what? If there's guys wanna beat you outside, Samsung, she can let you out and protect you a little bit from these guys. But iPhone close on you the door. She not let you go outside. It's protecting you? Yeah, it's protecting you. But she tied your freedom. You can't go outside because she can't protect you against these guys. Make these guys, this is the virus. So she just can't protect you, got me? Anyway, this is the point about the hub. It's little bit, he's warm, little bit hot. But anyway, it's work and it's beautiful. I like it. I wish that it have just the jack for audio. So guys, tell me what you think about this, and we will see you again with Hatem for Objection with another video. I guess it's work. I guess just need maybe I need to format the flash memory. I guess it's working because also he's drawing 2 flash memory. I'm sure it's work. Just need that. Maybe I need to format it. Because I didn't format this flash memory a long time ago. We'll see you another video with trying the camera with the iPad, and we're trying the speakers through this. We'll see it's work or no. So don't forget to subscribe, please, and put thumbs up. If you put thumbs down, I'm gonna figure who and which one puts thumbs down. I will come to you. Be careful. Peace.